Wild Tangent!
Phoebe was the most farty of the friends.
This is true.
Phoebe was the most farty of the friends.
Everybody knows that.
Phoebe was the most farty of the friends. I think that's a really good sound check.
Phoebe
Record
was the most
that.
farty of the
Record
friends.
that.
I did. It's been
Phoebe is the most farty of the friends. Phoebe is the most farty of the friends. Joey liked to jack off. Wait, hold on. Joey jerked a jumbo jack-o'-lantern. Joey jerked a
Chandler's Jack.
Ross raped a rugged ranger. Ross raped a rugged ranger. Perfect. Sounds great.
Ross raped a rugged ranger.
Rachel ralphed on a rug. What was it?
What was the first one with Lisa Kudrow's character?
Phoebe farted. No, what was it?
Phoebe makes furry farts? I don't know.
Phoebe
I gotta record it.
pooted. Phoebe was a pooter. I don't remember.
Phoebe was a pooter. Everybody knows that. Chandler was a handler.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for your listening pleasure, we are proud to bring you a rerun sketch from a previous season of Random Bush. Enjoy. And now, Random Bush is proud to present a reading from the secret journals of David Wayne Dunlap.
Tuesday, 11:41 a.m. Yesterday, I consumed 250 milliliters of fluid. However, only secreted 227 milliliters of fluid. Where are the remaining 23 milliliters of fluid? Note to self, how many milliliters do I sweat in an hour? I suspect Mother has something to do with this.
As always, we thank you for joining us. This has been a reading from the secret journals of David Wayne Dunlap. That sketch you just heard is part of the Random Bush Show. To hear more great comedy content, search The Random Bush, a stand-up sketch conversation comedy podcast.
Wild Tangent!